Good evening, children. This is Somshekar. I am taking math class right now in a Sun Pro Coaching Academy. Let us start sets. Sets. First of all, know about it. Sets. Who is the father of sets? George Cantor. Father of sets is George Cantor. First, the definition of set. Know about the definition of set. Set definition is collection of well-defined objects. Collection of well-defined and distinct objects. Collection of well-defined and distinct objects. See, the definition, in the definition only we have to know about this. What is the collection of well-defined? Well-defined అంటే పర్ఫెక్ట్గా మనము డిఫైన్ చేయగలిగినట్లయితే దాన్నే వెల్ డిఫైన్డ్ అంటాం. అండ్ డిస్టింక్ట్, డిస్టింక్ట్ అంటే సేమ్ రిపీటెడ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ అలౌడ్ హియర్. Repeated elements are not allowed. See, we have to take only one time whatever that element presents. Now I am writing definition. Collection of well defined and distinct objects. Distinct objects. It is known as a set. Okay na? Some let us see some examples. Examples of sets. See, set A is equals to, I am writing some elements here, 2, 3, 5, 7. Yes, these all are some elements, isn't it? Yes, this is the some elements are prime numbers. How many elements are there here? Yes, 2, 3, 5, 7 are the first 4 prime numbers. We can say it is a set. Is there any repeated terms? Yes. Is there any undefined? We can define perfectly. Yeah, 2, 3, 5, 7 are elements where in a set A. Okay na? That's what we can say, collection of well defined and distinct objects. Now let us see one more example. V, set of V. Set of vowels in English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. See, these are the 5 elements in a set. These are well defined or not? Yes, we can say, we can define perfectly. A, E, I, O, U are vowels in English. Okay na? That's what. This is a well defined and distinct. Is there any repetition? No repetition. Then next, after that, a representation of a set. Representation of set. There are two kinds are there, representation of a sets. One is roster form and second one is set builder form. What is meant by roster form? Other name of roster form is list form. Roster form or list form. Yeah, what we wrote in the previous set here, set A is equals to 2, 3, 5, 7. This is called only the roster form. Okay na? I am writing some sets here. Set B is equals to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36. See, these all are elements. Okay na? What are the elements? This is a square numbers, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now second kind of a representation of a set is set builder form. Set builder form. Set builder form means we will write here common notation. The elements follow which property. See, that all are, I think so, square numbers, isn't it? Yes. How to write in the set builder form? Set builder form, set B is equals to x such that x is equals to n square. Okay na? Here n is lesser than or is equals to 6 and n is belongs to natural numbers. See, x is equals to what? Here every element represent with x only here. Each and every element we are representing with x here. X is equals to what? N square. N is less than or is equals to 6. We have to take n values are natural numbers. The two are lesser than or is equals to 6. 1 square is n. Here n is there na. 1 take it as first of all n place 1. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. In place of n I am taking 3. 3 square is 9. In place of n I am taking 4. 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. Do you understand or not? This is the set builder form. We wrote common property. The elements follow which common property? Now I am writing this one in the set builder form. See once, V is a one of the set. I am writing directly x z. X is vowels in English alphabet. Vowels in English alphabet. Do you understand what? Yes, set builder form means we are writing in the common property. That elements following which property, that only is the set builder form. Now we are going to learn about types of sets. Before going to learn the type of sets, we have to know one more concept: cardinal number of a set. Cardinal number of set. Cardinal number of a set means number of elements present in the set is known as cardinal number of a set. See one here, in a set A, how many elements are present here? 4. That's what we can write. N of A is equals to N of A is equals to 4. How many elements are present here? 4 elements are there. Next, what is the cardinal number of a V set? 5. N of V is equals to 5. Very good. In the same way, what is the cardinal number of a B set? How many elements present in this set? 6. Yes. N of B is equals to 6. This is the cardinal number of a set. Do you understand? Now we are going to learn about the kinds of sets. Okay, or types of sets. Types of sets. See, different type of sets are there. Yes. Okay. Can I erase this all? Yes. Different type of sets. Yes. First one is null set. Other name of null set is empty set. Other name of empty set is void set. Empty set, void set. See, in that set, no elements are present. Such a type of sets are called null sets or empty set. Okay, na? So let us take one example for the empty set. 8th day of a week is 8th day of a week is null set, isn't it? Is there 8th day in that week? No, only 7 days are present. That's why it is a empty set. Next one is singleton set. A set contains only one element. Such type of sets are called singleton sets. A set consists of, yes, examples of singleton set. Yes, even prime number is a singleton set or not? Because in the prime number set only one even number is present, that is 2. So even prime number. Okay na? Next, finite set, countable number of elements presence in the set, then that set is called singleton set, finite set. Okay na? Yes. Tell me some example for the finite set. Yes, example is, I am writing here, see once, example of a finite set is number of days in a week, number of days in a week is a finite set. Okay na? Number of days in a year, it is also finite set. Number of months in a year, it is also finite set. Okay na? Now let us go to next kind of a set, that is infinite set. Yes. Here finite set example we learn, countable number of presence is there means it is a finite set. Uncountable number of elements are present, then the set is called infinite set. Okay na? So set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers is infinite set. Okay na? Next, we are going to learn about the different kind of sets. Equal set. Equal sets means if a set A containing 4 elements, that are 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the same way set B containing same elements only, for example 3, 2, 1, 4. Here these two sets are said to be equal sets because the two sets having the same elements are there now, that's why we can say these two are called equal sets. Okay na? You can write definition also. Next, equivalent sets. Cardinal number of set are equal, cardinal number of a sets are equal, we can say, then the sets are called equivalent set. For example, set A containing 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B containing A, B, C, D. See, here A and B are called equivalent sets. Why these two are equivalent sets? Because they have a cardinal number are same here. Set A, n of A is equals to, n of A is equals to 4 and n of B is equals to 4. See, cardinal number are equal, then we can say these two are equivalent sets. Equal sets means the same elements are present in the two sets, then the sets are called equal sets. One thing note we can write here, note is every equal sets are equivalent sets. Every equal sets are equivalent. Yes, but converse is need not be true. Converse is need not be true. It means yes, every equal sets are equivalents, but every equivalent sets are not a equal sets. That is only converse is need not be true. See once here, in a set A here 1, 2, 3, 4, set B is 3, 2, 1. These two are called equal sets only na. Next, in the second case, in this equivalent sets, A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equals to A, B, C, D, but these two are having the same elements are present in these two sets? No, that's what, but cardinal number are equal. If the cardinal number are equal means we can say that two are equivalent sets. Next, these are the different kinds of sets. Yes, up to here we learn some different kinds of sets. We have to know some more basic points in the next class. Okay na? Until then, I will see you later.